Bunny, let's go play outside! Yeah!
Girls, you can't play outside. It's too windy.
But we're bored!
Here, girls, play with these.
Bunny, it's not that bad. Let's go play anyway.
What happened?
A sandstorm, Granny!
Help! Help! Oh no! We have to help the girls. Don't worry, girls. Granny's got a stick. It doesn't work.
Granny, you have to use your real hands!
Oh! Huh? Huh?
Guys, we're real mermaids! We need water!
Always remember to listen to your parents, guys. If they say no, it means no.